Hey, how's it going, everybody? Back here at Dash with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching and you want to stay up to date with the inventory, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time I post a new video. Without further ado, here is going to be today's 2020 Isuzu NQR. This vehicle's stock number is 06673, and as you guys can tell, this is our 16-foot tilt cab box truck with a compartment body. This does have a GVWR of 19,500 pounds, and this is our dually vehicle. So as you can tell, it does have the dually tires in the way back. Now, this vehicle does have different kinds of compartments and storage options, so I will go ahead and open up all of our storage options and our compartments. That way you guys are able to see and take a quick look at what that looks like as we're walking around. This is a diesel vehicle, so I will go ahead and continue on with this video. I went ahead and opened up all of our storage options here, so you guys have a quick view of what that looks like. Just pay close attention to our different sizes, all of our different variety of options that we have for this vehicle itself. These are great for any kinds of tools, equipment that we may have, and obviously they're different, so that way you're able to put anything in here. Just varies based off of what you guys do. Now I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick walk around, show you guys the other side once I'm finished showing you guys these containers. Now looking at the back side of the box itself, we do see that we do have our ladder racks in the corners, and then we also have our camera right back here, which controls the screen monitor inside the truck. Here in the back itself, we do have our opening width of 7'10" and our opening height of 6'1", and I'll go ahead and open it up and show you guys what it looks like inside the box. Inside the box itself, we do have additional shelving, so I'll go up there and I'll show you guys what it looks like. In here in this middle section though, we do have our width of 4'5". Our height inside overall is going to be 6'9", with a length of 16 feet from the back all the way towards the edge. And I'll go ahead and hop in there and show you guys what it looks like. Entering the box itself, this is a quick overview of what it looks like. Obviously these are shelves, and they come in handy whenever you're wanting to put in your tools. Along with the shelving, as you can tell along the sides and the back part of the shelving itself, we do have our hooks with our E-tracks. Additional hooking right here. And this shelving does line all around this actual box area. I'll go ahead and close this box up and show you guys what it looks like on the other side. And now with our box closed, I will go ahead and show you guys the remainder of our containers, storage areas here on the right side. These are going to all practically be the same, but these are just for your equipment, for all your types of tools. If you want to put them away, lock them away, you can do that. And now I'll go ahead and just close these up and then show you guys what it looks like with everything closed and away. And now with all of our compartments closed, this is our view of the truck. Of course, we have our ladder rack right above that. And I will go ahead and just give you guys a quick close-up of what it looks like inside the cabin. And now coming into the cabin itself, this is just a quick overview of what it looks like being seated in here. At the steering wheel itself, we do see that the dash says 45,930 miles. Over to the left side of that, we do have our powered locks. You're able to use these buttons to access anything on the dash, and our lights. On the door, we do have our powered windows, which is really sweet to have. On the steering wheel itself, this is what it looks like. And over on the left side, we do have our cruise control, which you're able to set if needed. Over to the right side of this, we do have our parked region feature with our side mirror heaters. And then this is where you come across our radio. Right now it's off, but this radio works well amazing with AM, FM, Bluetooth, aux cord, and USB connection. And obviously it is touchscreen. Right below that, we do have our AC and our heater. These work amazing. They work very, very good. Right now it's starting to get a little bit warmer, so it comes in handy when you're wanting to use the cool air. This is just our middle section. Right above the seating area, we do have our overhead storage, and then this is where you would access your rear view camera monitor. So you have that view to the back. And now I'll go ahead and show you guys this little center seat. You're able to use this little lever and then it pulls it down, becomes part of your center console area. And that's what it looks like in here. And now we'll wrap it up with today's 2020 Isuzu NQR. This is going to be our 16-foot tilt cab with our utility compartment body and ladder racks. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you call us and ask us. Our sales team are amazing people and they usually know how to answer after hours when needed. Feel free to check out the link to the website that is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide you with that. That's just a way of providing quality for customers. Feel free to check out that small information snippet. I'll write down everything I spoke about in the video just for you guys. I hope to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next